From a house that was built in 1970 to a modern, thoughtfully redesigned in the terrace. From an enclosed kitchen to a bright and open kitchen. From a dark, outdated layout to a fresh, practical layout for the family. Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan. Here I am today at Seksyen 17 Petaling Jaya, showing you a double-storey in the terrace that has just been completely transformed with 350,000 renovation. This house is beyond 50 years old. Most of the terrace houses here came with a conventional floor plan. It was practical in the past, but it is not suited how the family live today. Lifestyle has changed. Family is looking for more open space, smarter space planning, and a modern design that fits into the modern way of living. In this home tour, I'm gonna walk you through the transformations, the new layout, and how this space can be with fully furnished design. Come join me today. Let's go. Now here is the quick project fact. This property is located in Seksyen 17 Petaling Jaya. It is freehold, double-storey terrace. The land size is 24 feet wide and 65 feet long. Inside, you will find 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, plus a powder room. And most importantly, this house has been fully renovated and extended the front and the back of this property. This is a car porch area. It was 1970 design. Now it is more open, bright and welcoming with a new white wall, new tiles and the greenery above completely refresh the first impression of this house. One thing that I want to highlight is the road at this area. It was previously very stiff, making it very hard for the car to go in and out. Now it is more level and this area can park 2 cars. Another thing I want to highlight is that they've added the drainage in this area, beautify it with the stone chipping and green plants. Welcome home. This is the living hall. Before the renovation, it was old and outdated. With the new design today, you will see a very clean white wall, modern tiles and plenty of light coming into this area. And you could also turn this living hall into a cozy living hall to spend time with your family and friends. This setup creates a cozy family lounge right here. What makes this house unique is the layout. Unlike most of the terrace house built on the flat land, this one is a split down level. So from the living hall, as you step down is the kitchen area. If you step out is to the bedroom. This adds the character, better zoning, and make the home feel more spacious. Next, let's check out this dining and the kitchen area, and this part of the house has gone through the biggest transformation of this property. Previously, the dining area was very small. The kitchen was enclosed, and the courtyard in the middle was blocked off, which made the whole house feel dark and tight. After the renovation, the space is completely reimagined. They hacked the wall, opened up the kitchen, fully extended to the back and connected it with the dining to create one seamless space. Currently, the kitchen is unfurnished, but let me show you an AI design to help you to visualize its potential. You can design a practical top and bottom kitchen cabinet, finished with a marble countertop and a built-in burner stove. And what is the best part? Adding an island right in the middle is not only make the kitchen more inviting, but also adds more extra prep space and also a casual dining spot. The real highlight is the courtyard in this area. In most terrace houses, natural lights only come from the front and the back. The middle is always dark. But here, they've added a skylight right in the middle of the home, bringing in more natural lights into a dining and a kitchen area. The position of the skylight is clever. It sits exactly in the center, so the whole middle section of the house comes alive. This one design features change the whole entire feel of the properties. At the back here, you will notice a glass wall. For terrace houses, this is such a practical solution. By using a glass block instead of a solid wall, natural lights flow into a dining area while maintaining its privacy. It is low maintenance, durable, and it looks nice. Now let's check out the resting zone. This is the resting zone where all the 3 bedrooms have been extended and refreshed. Each room is bright and practical and finished with the SPC flooring, which is durable, water resistant, and easy to maintain. This is a bedroom too. The size is about 181 square feet. Extended give you more livable space. You could easily put a queen size bed, bedside table, and a wardrobe. Next to it is a bedroom 3. Slightly smaller, the size is about 161 square feet. It is still extended compared to the original layout. This room is perfect for your kids, guest room, or even a study room. And finally, the master bedroom. This is the true highlight of the upper floor. It's extended. The size is about 357 square feet. It's almost double the size of the other 2 bedrooms. And this master room attached with the ensuite bathroom. One of the most drastic upgrades, the bathroom have been completely redone with tiles and shower set. With this space, you can easily design a full master suite, a king-size bed, built-in wardrobe, and even a private sitting corner. And just like the rest of the upper floor, is furnished with SPC flooring for durability and modern look. One of the highlights is these sliding windows that allows you to access to the balcony here. The owner also added this row of greenery along the balcony. Practically, the greenery provides privacy and keep the balcony area cooler. From an architectural point of view, this softened the entire facade. Instead of a concrete surface, these greenery plants added the texture and a sense of life to this house. So that's the full transformation of this double-storey terrace in Section 17. What do you think? Was the renovation worth it? Put your thought in the comment and we'd love to hear from you. Now if you like more content like this, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. My name is Jonathan. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.